Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Welcome to our second topic of JavaScript, show and hide the element content. Friends, in this video you will learn how to hide the visual content and how to see the hidden content using JavaScript. Friends, if you are watching our videos for the first time, first cover all the videos related to HTML, then come to this topic so that you will clearly understand what I am going to say. And also, if you not subscribe our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button and right swipe select all options from the option menu. Friends, if you are interested to join any course like accessibility testing, computer courses or browsing internet, accessing Gmail, or stock market tips like how to analyze the stock market using screen reader. So if you want any, if you want to join in any course, you can call me on my mobile number. My mobile number is 7731 879173. 7731 879173. So definitely I can assist you. Okay, now we will begin the topic. So I'm opening Notepad 5.
Speech mode off. Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk. Run dialog. O select O. O-T-E-E-A-D desktop notepad star doc type HTML dash notepad text editor doc system sub untitled dash notepad text editor document blank edit cursor.
Okay, we have opened the Notepad file. So here I will simply paste the basic HTML code.
Paste less slash HTML less doc type HTML greater less HTML greater less head greater less title greater less slash title greater.
So in the title I will provide the title as
less title carriage return greater carriage return JS space ELEMENTS.
Okay, JS elements. Okay.
Less JS elements. Less slash title greater. Less meta charset equals quote UT. Less meta name equals quote description quote content equals quote this is our forms page quote greater. Less blank less slash body greater. Less body greater. Less slash head greater. Less meta name equal less meta name less meta charts less meta name less. Less meta name equals quote viewport. Less meta name equals quote description. Less meta name less. Less meta name less slash head greater.
Okay. So
less body greater, less slash body greater, less slash HTML greater, less body greater, carriage return.
Okay, I have taken a few blanks in the body section.
Blank, less body greater.
So this is a common code for all the pages.
Blank, less body greater, blank.
So here I will create one heading.
Less H1 greater.
Less H1 greater. Here I will write
JS ELEMENTS.
JS elements.
Elements less slash H1 greater.
Okay. So if you want to download this practical file, you can find this file in my WhatsApp group. So I'm providing the WhatsApp group link in the comment section. You can directly join from there, and you can request and so that I can send this document to you.
Less body greater, less H1 greater, JS elements less slash H1 greater, blank.
Okay. Here first we will create one paragraph. Okay. First we will create one paragraph, that is hidden paragraph. It means that will by default the paragraph will not visible in the browser. Okay, so I will create one paragraph.
Less P space.
Less P space. We need to provide ID to associate the ID in the JavaScript.
ID
is equal.
It equals quote P1 quote.
So I have given the ID as P1.
Quote 1 P quote P1 quote carriage return.
Okay.
Space.
And I will provide one attribute called hidden. HIDDEN. Hidden.
HIDDEN. Hidden greater.
Okay.
Less.
So simply I will write welcome to Accessible World.
WELCOME welcome TO2 space ACCESSIBLE accessible WORLD.
Welcome to Accessible World.
TUTORIALS. Tutorials less slash P greater.
Okay. I will repeat the code and I will explain you clearly. Okay. Here I have written
less P equals quote P1 quote hidden greater welcome to Accessible World tutorials less slash P greater.
So I have created one paragraph with hidden element. Okay. So it means by default the text will not be visible. Okay. Even if we run this code, this text will not come. Okay. So here I will write one more paragraph.
Less H1 less P equal blank.
Less P.
Less P space ID.
ID is
It
equal.
equals quote P2 quote greater.
Okay, I have created one more paragraph. Okay, less P space ID I have given as P2. Okay, you can give anything. Okay, you can give your name, demo, whatever. But for simple remembering, I am giving P1, P2. Okay, because it is a paragraph 2, right? So I can easily remember what is paragraph 2. Okay.
Greater carriage return.
So I will give the content as
PLEASE please SUB SICCIS SCRIBE scribe space OUR space CHANNEL channel less slash P greater.
Okay. Here I have written one more paragraph.
Less P equals quote P2 quote greater. Please subscribe our channel less slash P greater.
Please subscribe our channel. I have given as text. Okay. So here what I done, here I have created two paragraphs. The first one is hidden paragraph. It means it will not visible on the screen. And second paragraph is visible paragraph because here I haven't used any attribute called hidden. Okay. So I will run this. First I will save this file.
Save as dialog. File name combo box collapsed.
So I will give file name as topic 2.
T selection remote P I C 2 topic 2 line ELEMENTS elements dot HTML.
Okay. I will save this file name as topic 2 underscore elements.html.
Items view list. Tree view level 2 new volume left parent right parent collapsed 1 of 1. Items view list name split but file name save as type toolbar encoding save button alt plus topic 2 line elements.html dash.
Okay, I will run this code first.
Run dialog text new volume left parent items view T. Nithin line HT. Item T testing 2 of T topic 2 line elements 3 of 3.
Okay, I'm clicking
Cut
open
T
it.
copy niche delete the pop up open with collapse pop micro Google Chrome. Items view list top JS heading level 1 JS elements.
Okay, this is the heading level 1 JS elements.
Please subscribe our channel.
Please subscribe our channel. See, before that we have created one more paragraph, that is welcome to accessible world. Okay, that paragraph is not visible here because we have used the attribute called hidden.
Please
okay.
subscribe our channel.
Okay, so using JavaScript, now we will block the content. Like we will show the welcome to accessible world tutorials paragraph, and we will hide this paragraph. Okay, currently visible, right?
Heading, please subscribe our channel.
Please subscribe our channel. We will hide this paragraph using JavaScript, and we will show the previous paragraph, that is welcome to accessible world tutorials. We will show that one. Okay, so I'm going to the notepad file again.
Nithin line H topic 2 line elements top less P equal blank.
Okay, so here we will write our JavaScript code. So to open the JavaScript, to write the JavaScript code, we need to open a tag called less script greater.
Less SCRIPT script greater.
Yeah, less SCRIPT script greater, and 2 times enter, and less slash script greater.
Less slash SCRIPT script greater.
Okay, in between we will write the code. Okay,
blank less script greater blank.
So our first code is document dot get element by ID.
DOCUMENT document dot GET
Get
TEG GET ELEMENT.
Element E should be capital.
B Y.
In the by, B should be capital.
I D.
In the ID, I should be capital. Document dot get element by ID, left parent.
Get element by id, left parent, quote.
P1.
P1, quote, right parent.
Okay, so what we will do now? We will show the hidden content, which is hidden. Paragraph 1 is hidden right now. So we will highlight the paragraph 1, and we will hide the paragraph 2. Okay, we will do reverse. Okay, I'm repeating this code.
DOCUMENT dot
document dot
GET
get
ELEMENT
element
B Y
by ID
left parent, quote, P1, quote, right parent, carriage return.
Okay, now we need to use style property. Okay, here we need to use, then we need to write dot style dot display.
STYLE
Style.
dot DISPLAY
So here we are using styles. Okay, style dot
display
display
space
is equal
equals
to
space
quotation open,
quote
double quotation open, block,
BLOCK
and double quotation close,
block quote
semicolon. Okay, so what we have done, we are displaying the hidden content now. Okay, the block means the display hidden content will be visible now. Okay, so I'm repeating the code.
carriage return document dot get element by id left parent quote p1 quote right parent dot style dot display equals quote block quote semi.
Okay, document dot get element by id. What is the id? P1 left parent quotation open, P1 quotation close right parent dot style dot display. Style dot display is equal to block quotation inside the quotations block, and we must give the semicolon. Okay, it means semicolon means our line is ended. Okay, our code is ended. We are informing to JavaScript that our code is ended with semicolon. Okay.
Less script document dot get element by id left parent quote p1 quote right parent dot style dot display equals quote block quote semi blank.
Okay. In our next line, what we need to do? We need to hide the P2. Okay. So please subscribe our channel is there, right? We are hiding the P2 content. So how to hide that? Document
DOCUMENT
document dot
document dot GET
get
LEMENT
element
Y
by
D
id
get element by id left parent quote
quotation open double quotation open P2
P2 quote right parent.
Okay, right parent. Now what we need to write? Dot means it is separation. Okay, we are adding some more to this one. Okay, instead of plus, what we need to do? Dot. Okay, we need to provide full stop. It means we are adding to this P2. Okay, we are adding something to this P2. So that's why we are writing dot symbol. Okay, what we are adding now? Style dot display.
SYYTYLE
Style. Okay, and also we are adding something to the style. That's why we are providing one more dot
tile dot
display.
DISPLAY
Okay, is
display
equal
space equals space
quotation open
quote
none NONE
NONE none quote
quotation close semicolon. Semicolon is compulsory. Okay, I'm saving this file.
Screen sharing JS elements dash JS element.
Okay, now I'm in JS elements.
Welcome to accessible world.
So see
heading level 1 JS elements. Welcome to accessible world tutorials.
So welcome to accessible world tutorials. It is actually by default it is hidden, but we are using JavaScript. We are highlighting this one. Okay, now it is visible on the page.
Welcome to accessible world tutorials.
But by default, please subscribe our channel is there, right? That was disappear now.
Heading level 1. Welcome to accessible world tutorials. Welcome to accessible world tutorials.
Now the second point will not be come. Second paragraph is hidden now. Okay.
Heading level 1 JS elements.
So this is all about JavaScript elements. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Definitely, I will get back to you. And also you can download this practical file in my WhatsApp group. I'm providing the WhatsApp group link in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Bye-bye.
Topic 2 screen share.